Ayan, happy Sunday everyone. So, feel ko na ang New Year. My God. So, napakabilis ng panahon. Next week, 2025 na. So, a lot of things happened this year. And yan, si My Labs, busy. So, busy magluto si My Labs. And wag muna natin siyang istorbohin. Meanwhile, ayan, may package na dumating. So, this is a simple package. Meron kasi kaming gustong subukan ni My Labs later. So, ayan, i-unbox muna natin. So, this is a package I ordered in Amazon. So, today kasi, gusto namin subukan ni My Labs na mag Uber Eats driver. Ayan. So, it's been a few months since nag-register tayo sa Uber Eats. Napaka-simple lang mag-register. I just sent my driver's license, a few of my details. And yun, napaka-easy mag-register ng Uber Eats driver, no? And kumuha tayo ng lalagyan ng insulated box for food para safe yung food, hindi malalaglag and hindi siya madudumihan. So, it's been a few months na nag-register tayo pero never pa natin nasubukan. So, later, kung may time, this afternoon, susubukan namin ni My Labs na mag Uber Eats driver. So, subukan namin kung kumusta naman and kung madali lang ba, etc. So, yun. So, ganito lang siya. So, parang lalagyan ng pizza box. So, actually, hindi maganda yung quality niya pero subok lang naman. Hindi naman natin to gagawing madalas. So, subukan lang natin kung ano yung experience maging Uber Eats driver dito sa Perth, Western Australia. And so, for the first time, nasubukan na natin mag Uber Eats delivery driver. So, pag-deliver na tayo ng unang food dito lang sa Gasnells area. Siyempre, kasama natin si My Labs. Ayan. Kasi first time, kaya sinabahan tayo. So, ganun lang pala yun, no? There's an Uber Eats application. So, may magpa-prompt, tapos i-accept mo. And then, pag nandun ka na sa food stall, you have to verify the order kung tama. So, para pala siyang may code, no? So, kiklik mo lang yung order verify. And then, pag pinick up mo na, i-click mo rin yung complete pickup and then it will show the address of the person, no, kung saan mo i-deliver, no. So napaka-simple, no, and very madali lang intindihin. So yung first delivery natin was around 2 kilometers away. So I earned $6.19. So yun. So ito, waiting kami ni My Labs for the second delivery. Ayan, so nakabalik na kami ni My Labs. Naka 8 deliveries kami in all. And kumita kami ng $72 for 4 hours. So, yan, $72 in all for 8 deliveries. So, smooth naman yung aming first Uber Eats try. May isang time lang na nalito kami kasi pumasok pwede pala na dalawang pick up on 2 different locations. So, hindi kami sanay. So, nalito lang kami. Akala namin i-deliver na. Yung pala, may dalawang nearby pick-ups on 2 different restaurants. So, yun. So not bad, no, for first time. So $72 for 4 hours for 8 deliveries ng Uber Eats. Ayan, see ya. Ayan, so back to work tayo ngayon. We just came from 5 days leave and this week 4 days tayo mag-work. So Monday, Tuesday, and then 1st of January is a holiday, so off tayo niyan. And then Thursday and Friday. So, yan. Ganun-ganun lang. Tapos na yung 5 days leave natin. And naka-skeletal shift kasi kami ngayon. Yung colleague ko yung naka-shift last Christmas. And this New Year, ako naman yung first week of January, ako naman yung naka-shift. So, yun. Actually, most of the clients that we're supporting, naka-shutdown period last week and this week, first week of January. So, that means less yung work natin, konting mga ticket, and mostly, ang kailangan namin gawin is yung mga backlogs and kung merong na-handover from last week. So, yan, medyo relax pag January. And magpipick up yan normally by end of January to February. Normally, buibili tayo ng isang pack na nito. Kasi pag kumakain kami sa labas, yan, normally hindi na kayo buibili ng drinks kasi mahal. Normally, $4 or $5 ang mga drinks. So, lagi kami may baon ng na mineral water para tipid-tipid. Second try namin ni My Loves mag Uber Eats, pero this time chill delivery lang kami. So magko-complete lang kami ng isang quest and then uwi na kami. Yan. So chill, pastime lang namin. Dito lang kami tumatambay sa Gasnells dito sa McDonald's kasi maraming rin dito restaurants near the area. So magkakalapit lang kaya kami hindi matagal maghintay. After ng delivery dito na rin kami bumabalik. So baka sa ibang area mas frequent yung order pero dito naman sa amin we found na marami ring orders tapos kabisado na namin yung area. So either dito lang sa Gasnells or Maddington yung frequent deliveries namin. Pre, kasama natin si My Loves. Parang na lang namin. Banding na rin namin to. Parang road trip na may extra earning. Ayan, so nandito na kami ni My Loves. Bumalik na kami. So chill delivery lang kami. So naka 6 trips kami in all. Yan. So for 2 hours and a half. So $47.76. So, not bad. So, ayan, parang bonding moment na rin namin. So, yun.